With the market value surpassing 1 trillion USD, a founder's net worth that once exceeded 200 billion USD, and warehouses covering a total area of 20 million square feet, Amazon emerged like a powerful hurricane, disrupting markets in e-commerce, publishing, news, entertainment, and even space travel for almost 3 decades now. Welcome to Do Academy. Today, we're diving deep into the business logic behind Amazon's operations and the secret sauce that fuels its success. Stick around till the end of this video for a bonus insight as well. In 1995, in New York's Central Park, a young visionary passionately shared his entrepreneurial idea with his boss, telling him that he sees big opportunities on the internet. With its growth rate of 2,300% each year, the boss was unimpressed and advised that it would be more suitable for someone without a job. Without hesitation, the young man resigned and founded the Amazon platform in his garage. That man was Jeff Bezos. Within a month, Amazon successfully delivered goods to all 50 states in the United States and 45 countries worldwide. In the 5 years that followed, Amazon went into selling books to shipping out various electronic household items, causing the number of registered customer accounts to surge from 180,000 to 17 million, with sales growing from over 500,000 USD to more than 1.5 billion USD. The era soon ushered in the first wave of big name investment on the site, and Amazon successfully jumped on the craze, raising 54 million USD when it went public in 1997. At one point, Amazon's market value soared to several hundred billion USD, establishing itself as a significant force among e-commerce giants. However, the good times were short-lived. Between the year 2000 and 2001, the burst of the internet bubble led to a drastic decline of 90% in Amazon's stock price. During this period, Bezos remained calm and focused. He wasn't concerned about short-term profits or losses, but was eager to adhere to a long-term investment strategy. In the face of the crisis, Bezos successfully guided Amazon through the challenges and achieved growth with a set of business logic that came to be known as the virtuous cycle. For Amazon, this cycle includes aspects such as customer satisfaction, operational efficiency, and innovation. Satisfied customers led to increased sales, which in turn allows for more investment in technology and infrastructure, further enhancing customer experience and operational efficiency. This continuous loop contributed to the sustained growth and success of the company. Known as the titan of the online realm, Bezos, unsatisfied with the status quo, extended his reach into various domains, aiming to construct a colossal Amazon ecosystem. In the year 2005 and 2006, Amazon unveiled 2 groundbreaking products: the Amazon Prime membership plan and Amazon Web Services for cloud computing. For a taste of free delivery, streaming services, and ebooks, all you need is to subscribe to the Prime membership plan. This initiative directly ties customer to Amazon, significantly elevating loyalty. The other product, AWS, was initially developed to fulfill the company's internal cloud computing needs. However, Bezos, with his keen business instincts, swiftly recognized the broader demand for the service from other companies. Consequently, they decided to launch it in the market. The introduction of AWS disrupted the operational norms of the cloud computing market. Businesses no longer needed to establish and maintain expensive data centers. Instead, they could access the required resources through cloud computing services, saving costs and enhancing flexibility. As the saying goes, don't put all your eggs in one basket. While these 2 products ventured into different domains, they rapidly became crucial profit sources for Amazon, compensating for the low profit margins in the retail business. The launch of these products also propelled Amazon's stock price to experience significant growth in the following year. In our dynamic era, there's a noticeable shift towards the widespread acceptance of online shopping, reaching across various age groups. This growing inclination towards digital commerce is a testament to the broader societal appreciation for the convenience and accessibility it brings. People of all generations are embracing the simplicity and efficiency of online transactions, contributing to the vibrant world of e-commerce. Looking closely at Amazon's swift growth, it seems to be a savvy response to the current cultural pulse. Yet, delving deeper reveals a richer story.
This culture of customer obsession.
Obsessive focus on customer.
Obsesses over our customers. Totally obsessing over the customer experience.
Focus on customer experience. That's not just a buzzword at Amazon. It's the secret sauce they swear by in job interviews and a consistent mantra echoed by Bezos in various discussions. Putting customers front and center, going that extra mile to cater to their needs, is the holy grail of success here. Amazon's commitment shine through in continuous investments in cutting-edge technology and innovation, crafting efficient logistics and supply chain system with a touch of artificial intelligence and automation. This strategic dedication enhances operational efficiency, trims costs, and at its core, delivers an elevated and friendlier customer experience. In 2020, as the global pandemic unfolded, numerous industries faced unprecedented challenges. The crisis confined people to their homes, leading to a surge in demand for delivery services. Amazon, displaying remarkable agility, boldly expanded its workforce by a whopping 400,000 frontline employees, achieving unexpected growth in the midst of the crisis. As the pandemic gradually eased, the United States entered an interest rate hike cycle, causing Amazon's stock price to dip. By the year 2022, Amazon's stock value was halved, tumbling out of the trillion-dollar market cap club. However, with the passage of time, there was a gradual resurgence in Amazon's stock price. Following a series of fluctuations, Amazon stock has demonstrated a notable increase from its initial stage. The market dynamic resembled a roller coaster ride, highlighting the necessity for both caution and patience in the realm of stock market investments. So, keeping an eye on things, checking out what moves Amazon, and not getting thrown off by every market flip-flop is key. Consider it as keeping the calm of a seasoned captain navigating turbulent waters, rather than a new sailor getting tossed by every wave. Steer the ship smoothly through the market currents instead of getting caught in the same old storm. And there you have it, the awe-inspiring journey of Amazon. Ever wonder why it's called Amazon? Well, Bezos kept it simple. It starts with an A. Yep, you heard it right. Bezos reckoned that having a name kick off with an A makes it a breeze to find in directories. Oh, and here's a bonus. The Amazon River boasts the world's largest average water flow in widest area, and it perfectly aligns with Amazon's grand vision. Today, just like the mighty Amazon River, Amazon has swelled into a colossal and diverse empire, stretching endlessly and encompassing everything. Tell us, do you see more potential for growth in Amazon? Share your thoughts in the comments below.